What's up guys, Amy with Wrong Turn Adventures. Just want to make a quick video to show you a couple things with our tablets. We have the Samsung A8 32 gig, they're 10.5 inch. We're just going to go over real quick the Back Country Navigator and kind of how to navigate through that, work that, make some tracks, any changes that you want to make to the app. We're just going to go through that real quick so you have an idea to work with it when you get your tablet. Alright guys, so here we are. We have the Backcountry app loaded to the home screen of the tablet, so you'll just come in and hit Backcountry. Right now we have the Hillbilly Trail System selected in Kentucky. We have this programmed and downloaded with satellite imagery. I like to use that just to be able to see a little bit of the terrain versus the topographical maps. But so you're riding in Kentucky today, right? So you decide next month you want to go ride in West Virginia. So we're going to come up here to trip data, click to change trip database. So we're going to come over here and we have the West Virginia, Kentucky maps. We're going to select that, zoom in here. This is going to be your West Virginia maps right here. So this is over in the Crumpler area here. Now, so that's how you swap through your locations. So let's hop back over to the trip database real quick to show you what we have these loaded with. So we have West Virginia, Kentucky. We have the Hillbilly Trail System. We have most of the Tennessee trails. We have Moab, the Arizona Peace Trail, circling the Frank, Utah, and Taylor Park. All of those are downloaded, so when you leave the house and you don't have that Wi-Fi, it's all downloaded. It's all going to stay there and allow you to zoom in to the maximum zoom without losing your satellite picture. Alright, so now you want to record a track. You want to keep track of where you rode for the day. So you'll come up, you'll hit location, record a track. Now it's going to pull up these numbers here. You can go in and add whatever you want to name it. You can name it where you're riding, the date you're riding, whatever you want to name it. You hit start recording. At that point, it's going to record everywhere you ride that day. When you're done riding, come back to location, stop track recording. Now if you go to any point that you don't want to be recorded on that track, you come up, hit location, pause track recording, and then go back in and start it over when you're ready to record again. So we're going to stop track recording. So my GoPro heard me saying that we were going to stop the track on here, and it stopped recording. It did it again. So now we're going to come over, we're going to go into the settings real quick. We have your display options here. So one thing we went in and did is keep screen on. That's going to keep your screen on throughout the duration of your time using the map. Without that setting on, your screen will go off just like any other normal tablet or phone. So make sure this stays on right here. Go back out to track options. We have the default track color set to a light blue. We set that there because a lot of the trails you're going to ride are either green or blue, red. And if you use those same colors with your track, it's going to be hard to see where you rode. So you don't see a lot of light blue on the trails or the map systems, so we go with light blue to track your ride. Map layers, what we do, so we'll back out real quick. All of this right here in West Virginia is downloaded, like I said. So when you leave the house, you don't have Wi-Fi, it's all still going to come up with the satellite imagery. Now, if you end up adding new tracks to your tablet, you can come into map layers, select areas for download. Then what you'll do is you'll just come in, select whichever area you want to download. You'll have this blue square here. You hit download. You always want to set it to the highest setting here, the 17, so that way you can zoom in the most. Then you just hit begin download. And that's going to have anything that you want that's not already downloaded there for you, so you can keep that satellite imagery. You're not going to lose your trails. You're not going to lose that, but you will lose the imagery, and it's just going to be a white screen. So that's how you work Back Country. This is the tablet, Samsung A8, 32 gig, 10.5 inch. So there you have it.